In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cube watermelon safely and get the most out of your watermelon meat. Let's get started. First things first, we're gonna thoroughly wash our watermelon in the sink with some soapy water, give it a good rinse. Then I bring it out to the counter and dry it with a kitchen towel. Now first, you're gonna try to find a flat spot if you have one on your watermelon, but if not, don't worry. A great tip is to take your kitchen towel, give it a couple of folds and place it under your watermelon to create a stable base. The first thing I'm gonna do is trim both ends. I just trim a little bit just to give myself another flat working surface. After I take my knife and slice the big watermelon in half right through the middle to create two halves. Now, your big knife is not gonna go through and through, so just give it a couple of turns, and once you're ready, split that big watermelon in half, and there you go. Wow, this watermelon looks so red and juicy. I can't wait to dig into it. But first, let's work with our first half. What we're gonna do here is simply trim our rind. You don't have to go all the way down to the red. It's okay to just give yourself a quick trim and come back in a second pass and get rid of all of the white that you don't want to eat. And after that, go around your watermelon, first taking off the rind, giving yourself a good starting point, and with a knife, just keep slicing off the white. Up next, we take that same knife and we cut it into thick slabs vertically, so we have these nice rectangular slices. We then lay them flat and we can cut into strips and then across. And now, friends, we have cubes. By the way, if you enjoy helpful how-to videos like this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel. Now I'm still cutting through the rest of my watermelon, and one thing you should note is that I am using seedless watermelon, but if your watermelon has seeds, not a problem. As you cut through it, you'll be able to discard some of them, and a couple, no big deal. All I have to do now is place my watermelon cubes in a large container, and I can serve it or place it in the refrigerator for a few hours to chill, and it's ready for next time. And there you have it, a step-by-step process on how to cut watermelon the easy way and get the most out of it. See you guys next time.